Welcome back to 21 Moto. We're on our way to meet up with Greg from Moto Jitsu. He has a drill set up where it's a circle, and as you enter the circle, you go in, you make one turn, and you come out of the circle, and you time yourself. The longer the time, the better, because it means that you're able to control the bike at really low speeds. The longer you can take to do that circle without putting a foot down, without stalling, the better, the more skilled you are, the more skilled you're showing.
That's a cool car. Where we fit, yes we will, yes we fit. Chilling on the Mission Boulevard. Sup, Gramps? Sup, Grandma? Mission Bay is nice. Ooh, Tenere. Look at that thing. Sheesh. Gromming down the street. Look at thumbnail. Cruising down to the boat ramp. That's cool. Look at this, guys. Aquatic Grom. Around the Grom, around the Grom. That's pretty cool. Probably in a shady spot right here. Oh yeah. We are here. We made it, boys.
I just got my clear water lights and my Billy lights put on. Look at the brake light on the license plate. Oh, nice. Oh, look how bright it is. And look what happens to the lights when I put on my hazards. So whenever I lane split, that's cool. Whenever I go full bright, or whenever I honk the horn. Oh, cool.
Greg hasn't been able to hit a minute yet on his 1250 GS bike, but he got a message from somebody saying that they were able to do over a minute, that it was easy. But then they also mentioned that it was a smaller bike, right? So, in order to prove the point, we're gonna let Greg ride the Grom through the drill and see what kind of times he can get.
Yeah, stay within the big circle, and your time starts when your front tire crosses this first set of markers, and your time stops when you come out of it, and your front tire crosses the last set of markers right here on the bottom left.
The Grom.
Careful, she's a beast.
The Grom.
Yeah.
know your levers are
Two out?
high.
Oh, okay.
You see the angle of my arm?
Yeah, I noticed that.
And then look at the levers.
Yeah.
So if this was my bike, these
Yeah.
bolts,
Yep.
you loosen them
Okay.
and then just put them flat. Cause like if you push your finger straight out, it should be elbow, wrist, levers, flat line. Because
Okay.
right now it's like
Yeah, it looks like it's out.
it's like you're doing this
Mhm.
versus
Okay.
it's just an awkward angle. Like
I dig it.
if you had to brake, like you're trying to squeeze, but
Yeah.
and just the clutch alone, like I'm going like this.
Yeah.
Versus if it was flat, it'd be like the clutch would be way down here. Like probably if this is parallel to the ground, probably like.
Okay. And you also said the clutch is too far out too for the friction zone?
Well, you can't adjust it.
Okay.
If you do the cable thing, that's just taking away like the slack.
Oh, okay.
But adjustable levers, like how far it before it engages the friction zone. But the main thing is the angle of the levers, like.
Okay. Cool.
But yeah.
I'll shoot that up. That's good. Thank you.
Well, my bike is 600 pounds. That's like it takes a lot to recover it.
Yeah.
This tiny little thing, it's like I could just stop, put my foot out. Because someone they emailed me, is like, well, my bike is really little, and I did like a minute and a half. I'm like, well, no shit, it's easier.
Still like a minute 20, like a minute 30 when it falls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But like, at least 30 seconds longer just because the bike is tiny.
Yeah.
Welcome back to 21 Moto HQ. Today's ride, we put on 42 miles. So let's go check out the spreadsheet with the mileage and the Bitcoin that we bought on this for this ride. There it is. 42 miles added. 42 times 0.21 cents per mile gives us $8.82. We've accumulated that much Bitcoin. 14,112 Satoshis. I'm recording this video a little bit later, but we purchased it when Bitcoin was $61,133.11. Today, the price of Bitcoin is $66,995. So our $8.82 purchase of Satoshis, the value of those Satoshis has gone up to $9.45. Okay. So since we're holding a total of 178,771 Satoshis, the value of those Satoshis has gone up to $119.80. If we were just to be holding the cash, it would be worth $109, right? So based on these new values, it's going to take us 26,572 26,572 miles to break even. If we were just saving in dollars, if we were just pocketing the 21 cents, it would still take us another 26,620 miles. Okay, so it's pretty cool. The difference there is starting to get wider, right? The gap is starting to widen between the miles saved in dollars and the value saved in Bitcoin. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you want to subscribe to my channel, it's right here. If you want to subscribe to Greg's channel, it's right there. And go watch this video next. I'll see you over there right now.